Hi everyone, and happy Wellness Wednesday. Today is all about a plant-based diet, and in our email that was sent out last night, you guys learned about how to make plate method work with a plant-based diet. Unlike the plate method that we have here on the nutrition board, where it's half veggies, quarter plate protein, quarter plate starch, the plant-based plate method, say that 5 times fast, is going to be thirds. So a third of non-starchy veggies, a third of starchy veggies or some whole grains, and then a third of some sort of protein substitute. Tofu was one of the examples, or edamame, or chickpeas. And then you can see those food options here on the food options guide. This is a great resource to use if you're looking for options for any type of diet, and whether it's the regular plate method or plant-based plate method. And then one other thing I wanted to share was I reached out to my sister. She is pregnant with twins, and she's eating a lot more protein now than she used to, but she used to be a vegetarian. And I asked her what some of her tips were, and she said a lot of the same things that were in our email, but she also mentioned trying to make sure that the protein options that she was choosing were lower in sodium and sugars, which a lot of plant-based protein substitutes out there are going to be very processed and really high in soy and sodium, and they might not meet the meat craving that some of you plant-based eaters might be looking for. Those options might satisfy the protein and meat craving that you're looking for. She decided after some research to make sure that she was getting less of those processed options and more whole foods. And she was not a strict vegan, so she did a lot of eggs and Greek yogurt to help supplement some of her meals, as well as some of those tofu options and things like that. And then one other big thing that I wanted to share that I thought was a cool takeaway that she shared with me was she said when she would eat out, she felt that unless it was like a very vegetarian friendly place, a lot of the meat options or protein options, I should say, were pretty like sparse. And so she would either do salmon, so more of a pescatarian option if she ate out, or she would eat a lot more protein throughout the day, knowing she might not get as much when she was eating out, or she'd have a protein-packed snack before eating out. So those are some of the tips that I wanted to share with you from my sister Sam.